In the vibrant city of Kingston, amidst neon-lit streets and pulsating rhythms, two ballet dancers dance not just for art, but for a future beyond imagination. Freedom, a tall and agile man with a spirit as untamed as the Jamaican winds, and Twirly, a graceful woman whose movements seemed to defy gravity, were more than performers. They were explorers in a world where science and magic intertwined. One evening, as they practiced in an underground studio, a mysterious device buried beneath the floor flickered to life. It was an ancient Jamaican artifact, a relic said to contain the essence of the spirit of the islands, now reactivated by their combined energy and passion. Suddenly, a swirling portal burst open, shimmering with cosmic colors, revealing a distant future Earth, where technology and nature had become one. "Freedom, look!" Twirly gasped, her eyes shining with curiosity. "This is the future of our island, where science and dance can change everything." But danger lurked in this new world. An oppressive force called the Silence had silenced all creative expression, draining life from art and music. The portal was their chance to bring back vibrancy and hope, but only if they could harness their dance in a new way, using the principles of physics and their innate connection to the island's energy. Freedom leapt into a powerful pirouette, channeling the energy of the earth beneath him, while Twirly spun in a mesmerizing arabesque, drawing on the cosmic forces of the universe. Their movements created ripples of light, disrupting the Silence's grip and awakening the dormant energy of the planet. As they danced in perfect harmony, the portal expanded, pulling the future into the present. The oppressive force shattered, replaced by a wave of music, color, and life. The island's spirit was restored, proving that even in a world of science fiction, art, especially dance, remains the ultimate expression of freedom.